Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of the p-block elements, focusing on groups 13 and 14. These groups play a crucial role in both chemistry and industry, offering a wide range of properties and applications. In this video, we'll explore their general characteristics, unique behaviors, and industrial significance. Whether you're a student or just curious about the elements that shape our world, this journey will help you understand why group 13 and 14 elements are so important. Let's begin by looking at what makes group 13 elements unique. Group 13 elements, also known as the boron group, include boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. These elements are found in the p-block of the periodic table and are characterized by having 3 electrons in their outermost shell. Their unique electron configuration leads to interesting chemical behaviors and a variety of uses in everyday life and industry. Now let's explore the general properties that define this group and set them apart from others. Group 13 elements share several general properties. They are typically metals except for boron, which is a metalloid. These elements have moderate melting and boiling points, and their densities increase as you move down the group. Chemically, they tend to form compounds in the +3 oxidation state, though some like thallium can also exhibit a +1 state. Their compounds are often covalent, and they show a tendency to form electron-deficient compounds. These features make group 13 elements both versatile and valuable in various applications. Boron stands out among group 13 elements due to its small size, high ionization energy, and strong tendency to form covalent bonds. Unlike its metallic group members, boron is a metalloid and does not conduct electricity well. It forms complex structures such as borates and boranes and often creates electron-deficient compounds. This anomalous behavior is mainly due to its inability to expand its valence shell, making boron chemistry unique and essential for advanced materials and chemical research. Boranes are a fascinating class of compounds made up of boron and hydrogen. These compounds are known for their unusual structures, often featuring multicenter bonds that are not commonly found in other chemical families. Boranes are important in chemical research and have applications in rocket fuels and as reagents in organic synthesis. Their unique bonding and reactivity make them a subject of ongoing scientific interest. Boron compounds are widely used in various industries. Borax, for example, is used in detergents and glass manufacturing. Boric acid finds applications in antiseptics and insecticides. Boron fibers are known for their strength and are used in advanced aerospace materials. These compounds also play a role in agriculture, electronics, and even nuclear reactors, highlighting the versatility and importance of boron chemistry in modern technology. Group 14 elements, also known as the carbon group, include carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. These elements have 4 electrons in their outermost shell, which allows them to form a wide variety of compounds. The group spans nonmetals, metalloids, and metals, making it one of the most diverse in the periodic table. Let's look at the general properties that make group 14 elements so significant. Group 14 elements display a remarkable range of physical and chemical properties. Carbon is a nonmetal, silicon and germanium are metalloids, while tin and lead are metals. Their melting and boiling points vary widely, and their ability to form covalent bonds is a key feature. These elements commonly exhibit +4 and +2 oxidation states, with carbon and silicon favoring +4 and tin and lead often showing +2. Their versatility is central to many technological and biological processes. Carbon exhibits several unique behaviors compared to other group 14 elements. Its small atomic size, high electronegativity, and strong ability to form multiple bonds allow it to create a vast array of compounds, including chains and rings. Carbon's ability to catenate or link with itself is unmatched, leading to the diversity of organic molecules. This anomalous behavior is the foundation of organic chemistry and life as we know it. Catenation is the ability of an element to form long chains by bonding with itself. Carbon is the best known example, forming chains, rings, and complex structures that are the backbone of organic chemistry. Silicon also shows catenation, but to a lesser extent. This property allows for the immense variety of organic compounds, from simple hydrocarbons to complex biomolecules, making catenation a cornerstone concept in chemistry. Allotropy refers to the existence of an element in more than one form in the same physical state. Carbon is famous for its allotropes, including diamond, graphite, and fullerenes. Each allotrope has distinct physical and chemical properties, from the hardness of diamond to the lubricating layers of graphite. Understanding carbon's allotropy is key to appreciating its versatility and the wide range of materials it can form. Silicon carbide is a compound made from silicon and carbon. It is known for its extreme hardness and high thermal conductivity, making it valuable as an abrasive and in high-temperature applications. Silicon carbide is used in cutting tools, semiconductors, and even as a gemstone. Its unique combination of properties makes it an important material in both industry and technology. Silicon is one of the most important elements in modern technology. It is the primary material used in the production of semiconductors, which are the foundation of electronic devices like computers and smartphones. Silicon is also used in solar panels, glass, and construction materials. Its abundance and versatility make it essential for the advancement of technology and sustainable energy solutions. Pest is a phenomenon where tin changes from its metallic form to a brittle non-metallic form at low temperatures. This transformation can cause tin objects to crumble and lose their structural integrity. Tin pest is a significant concern in applications where tin is exposed to cold environments, such as in electronics and historical artifacts. Understanding tin pest helps in developing better materials and preservation techniques. Lead is a dense, soft metal with a low melting point. It is highly malleable and resistant to corrosion, making it useful in batteries, radiation shielding, and construction. However, lead is toxic and its use is regulated in many industries to prevent health hazards. Understanding the properties of lead is important for safe handling and for finding alternatives in sensitive applications. Carbon is the backbone of organic chemistry. Its ability to form stable covalent bonds with itself and other elements allows for the creation of millions of organic compounds. These compounds are the basis of life, making carbon essential for biology, medicine, and materials science. The study of carbon compounds is central to understanding everything from DNA to plastics. Graphite is one of the most well-known allotropes of carbon. Its structure consists of layers of carbon atoms arranged in hexagonal patterns. These layers can slide over each other easily, making graphite an excellent lubricant and a good conductor of electricity. Graphite is used in pencils, batteries, and as a moderator in nuclear reactors. Its unique structure is key to its many applications. Diamond, another allotrope of carbon, has a three-dimensional tetrahedral structure where each carbon atom is bonded to four others. This arrangement gives diamond its exceptional hardness and high refractive index, making it valuable in jewelry and cutting tools. The strong covalent bonds throughout the structure make diamond the hardest known natural material. Fullerene is a unique carbon allotrope with a spherical structure, resembling a soccer ball. Discovered in the 1980s, fullerenes have opened new possibilities in nanotechnology and materials science. Their ability to trap other atoms inside their structure makes them useful in drug delivery and as superconductors. Fullerenes are a testament to the versatility of carbon. Carbon allotropes have a wide range of uses. Graphite is used in batteries and lubricants, diamond in cutting tools and jewelry, and fullerenes in advanced materials and medicine. Each allotrope's unique properties make it suitable for specific applications, demonstrating the incredible adaptability of carbon. These uses continue to expand as new forms of carbon are discovered. Group 13 and 14 elements are vital to many industries. Aluminium, for example, is used in transportation and packaging, while silicon is the backbone of the electronics industry. Carbon's versatility underpins the plastics and pharmaceutical industries. These elements are essential for modern infrastructure, technology, and innovation, making them indispensable in our daily lives. Boron is a fascinating element with properties that set it apart from other Group 13 members. It is a hard, brittle metalloid and is essential in the production of borosilicate glass, which is resistant to thermal shock. Boron compounds are also used in detergents, agriculture, and as neutron absorbers in nuclear reactors. Its unique chemistry makes boron a key player in advanced materials. Aluminium is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust and is known for its light weight and resistance to corrosion. It is widely used in transportation, packaging, construction, and even in kitchen utensils. Aluminium's recyclability and strength make it an environmentally friendly choice for many applications, contributing to sustainability efforts worldwide. Gallium is a soft, silvery metal that melts just above room temperature. It is used in semiconductors, LEDs, and solar panels. Gallium arsenide, a compound of gallium, is crucial for high-speed electronics and optoelectronic devices. The unique properties of gallium make it indispensable in the electronics and renewable energy sectors. Indium and thallium are less common but have specialized uses. Indium is used in touchscreens, LCDs, and solders, while thallium finds applications in electronics and medical imaging. Both elements are toxic and require careful handling. Their unique properties make them valuable in niche technological applications. Silicon is the cornerstone of the digital age. Its semiconducting properties allow for the creation of integrated circuits and microchips which power computers, smartphones, and countless other devices. Silicon's role in solar energy and electronics has transformed modern life, making it one of the most important elements in technology. Germanium is a metalloid with properties similar to silicon. It is used in fiber optics, infrared optics, and as a semiconductor. Germanium's transparency to infrared light makes it valuable in night vision devices and thermal imaging. Its role in electronics and optics continues to grow as technology advances. Tin is a soft, malleable metal used in coatings for steel cans, solder for electronics, and in alloys like bronze. Its resistance to corrosion makes it ideal for food packaging. Tin's role in electronics is especially important as it ensures reliable connections in circuit boards and devices. Lead's toxicity has led to strict regulations on its use, especially in paints, pipes, and gasoline. However, it remains important in batteries, radiation shielding, and some construction materials. Safe handling and disposal of lead are critical to protecting human health and the environment. Carbon's ability to form a vast array of compounds is unmatched. From simple molecules like carbon dioxide to complex polymers and biomolecules, carbon chemistry is the foundation of organic chemistry. This diversity enables the development of new materials, medicines, and fuels. Silicon forms a wide range of compounds including silicates and silicones. Silicates are the main components of rocks and minerals, while silicones are used in medical implants, lubricants, and sealants. The versatility of silicon compounds makes them essential in construction, healthcare, and manufacturing. Extraction and use of Group 13 and 14 elements have environmental impacts. Mining and refining can lead to pollution, while improper disposal of toxic elements like lead poses health risks. Advances in recycling and green chemistry are helping to reduce these impacts and promote sustainable use of these essential elements. Research into new materials based on Group 13 and 14 elements is driving innovation. From lightweight alloys to advanced semiconductors and nanomaterials, these elements are at the forefront of technological progress. Their unique properties enable breakthroughs in electronics, energy, and medicine. Proper safety and handling of Group 13 and 14 elements are crucial, especially for toxic elements like lead and thallium. Protective equipment, safe storage, and adherence to regulations help prevent accidents and environmental contamination. Education on safe practices is essential for workers and industries dealing with these elements. Recycling of aluminium, lead, and other Group 13 and 14 elements is vital for sustainability. Recycling reduces the need for mining, conserves resources, and minimizes environmental impact. Innovations in recycling technology are making it easier to recover and reuse these valuable materials, supporting a circular economy. Future of Group 13 and 14 elements is bright, with ongoing research into new applications and improved materials. From next-generation electronics to sustainable energy solutions, these elements will continue to shape technology and industry. Staying informed about their properties and uses is key to understanding the future of science and innovation. Recap: Group 13 elements include boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. They are characterized by 3 valence electrons and a mix of metallic and nonmetallic properties. Their compounds are widely used in industry, from glass and electronics to agriculture and medicine. Understanding their chemistry is essential for many scientific and technological fields. Group 14 elements, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead, showcase a wide range of properties from nonmetals to metals. Their ability to form diverse compounds underpins organic chemistry, electronics, and materials science. Mastery of Group 14 chemistry is crucial for innovation in many industries. We've covered the general properties, unique behaviors, and industrial significance of Group 13 and 14 elements. From the anomalous behavior of boron and carbon to the importance of silicon and aluminium, these elements are central to science and technology. Their compounds and materials continue to drive progress in countless fields. Group 13 and 14 elements are all around us. From the aluminium cans we use to the silicon chips in our devices, their presence is integral to modern living. Understanding their roles helps us appreciate the science behind everyday objects and the innovations that make life easier and more efficient. Studying Group 13 and 14 elements is fundamental for students of chemistry. Their diverse properties and applications provide a solid foundation for understanding more advanced topics in science and engineering. Mastery of these groups opens doors to careers in research, industry, and technology. Ongoing research into Group 13 and 14 elements is leading to new discoveries in nanotechnology, materials science, and environmental sustainability. Scientists are constantly finding new ways to harness their properties for innovative solutions, from cleaner energy to smarter electronics. Despite their importance, the extraction and use of Group 13 and 14 elements present challenges, such as resource depletion and environmental concerns. Advances in recycling, green chemistry, and alternative materials are helping to address these issues and ensure a sustainable future. As technology evolves, the roles of Group 13 and 14 elements will only grow. Their unique properties and applications will continue to drive innovation in fields ranging from electronics to medicine. Staying updated on their latest uses and research is essential for anyone interested in science and technology. Conclusion: Group 13 and 14 elements are fundamental to our modern world. Their properties, behaviors, and applications touch every aspect of our lives, from the materials we use to the technologies we depend on. Understanding these elements not only enriches our knowledge of chemistry, but also empowers us to contribute to future innovations and sustainable solutions.